Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Alright, what's your name and everything in here?
George Fuller, man. I got 2 Nightshades, 15s, NSV4s on the Sundown 6K. Got a CES 320 alternator, JY8 air power, lithium battery. Got 2 runs going to the back, 246 hertz.
Okay. 46 hertz. So you like the highs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Love them.
Oh yeah, nice and punchy.
Well, I had the lows, man, but I tore my roof off the ZB5s. I had 2 ZB5s in
Oh, so your roof, sunroof. Yeah.
I ripped the 3 ways, split my license plate. New trunk back there. I had to put the Sundown dent in.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just tearing this car up, man. But
that's base head issues.
Yeah, that's right. That's
yes,
right.
sir. And what was this wired to?
I'm wired down now to 1 ohm.
1 ohm. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And have you metered it?
Yeah, I just metered it. I'm doing a 50 sealed and a 51 in the kit.
Nice. 50 sealed. Nice. That's good. All right.
Yes.
Yeah, I love the demo.
All right.
What was your name?
George Fuller.
George Fuller. All right.
Everybody call me Fuller Boy.
Fuller Boy. All right.
Got a couple of songs for you. I'm gonna give you a couple of different
okay.
bass tones.
Perfect.
Okay.
mid-30s to mid-50 hertz range. And you can really hear the music with those super tweeters.
Oh yeah, I'm getting my doors and everything done.
You made it fit all the way to the back.
Yeah.
So your box, did it come in from the back or the front?
We had to put it in from the back.
From the back,
Yeah.
slide it in. Okay, so it's a tight fit for sure.
Oh yeah, got Sundown
Nice.
deck that ran all through.
Yeah. And then your port's right here. I was looking for it. All right. He's all right. Thanks, man. I like to see everything.
Trust me, I follow your channel, man.
Okay. Battery delete.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a JY80 amp hour.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.